Hello, I'm Nick Jenkins, a producer for Crash Course, and you have either stumbled upon or come directly to the Complexly channel. This is a channel where we just sort of try things out and have fun and do series that don't really fit in anywhere else. We also apparently upload playlists of things that are important to us. One of the things that I've been doing lately is going back to films that I either liked when I was in film school or before I was in film school and looking at them again. So like trying to figure out like what was the value of it back then and what is the value of that thing now to me, not to the world, but to me. And I've really come around to enjoying this a lot because it's allowed me to rediscover things. It's also allowed me to go sort of deeper into filmmakers that I've only maybe watched one of their films or something like that. And so it's been a big educational thing for me to go back in and go, oh, I'm gonna watch this film, I'm gonna watch this film, I'm gonna watch this film that I've never seen. It also made me realize that a lot of the things that I liked when I was growing up, I think when I got into film school, you sort of kick them to the curb as they're like, oh, those were guilty pleasures. And they don't have a lot of what I would call nutritional value. But the fact of the matter is there is a lot of value in them. Like with things like Tremors, which is a Kevin Bacon movie, which is a monster movie from the 90s that you think is just sort of a big dumb action adventure movie, but really like it's a really well-made movie, and the sound design is incredible, the pacing is incredible, the structure is incredible. So there's also some great videos by really small YouTubers talking about films that they also were surprised by. For me, film is all about communication and education. Like, that's the big thing. Film to me is a great experience of empathy. And that's a big deal, and I think it broadens our educational base, so to speak, as individuals, if we can go and check out these things that we either haven't heard of or that maybe we hadn't thought about in certain ways. So you're gonna see everything from videos about Mulholland Drive to maybe some films from Russian filmmakers you've either never heard of or maybe haven't thought of in this way. So check out the playlist and then tell me in the comments what's your favorite sort of undiscovered movie. Is it like Cemetery Man? Is it The Room? Do you like bad movies? Like what are the movies that you like that not that many people have heard of? And if you're watching this video not in the playlist function, there is a link in the doobly-doo, so you can click on that and go straight to the playlist. Thanks for watching, and thanks for coming to the Complexly channel, and don't forget to be awesome.